Rescuers face a narrow window to save any survivor from the rubble of devastated villages in Morocco's Atlas Mountains, 3 days after the country's strongest ever earthquake. The earthquake that struck on Friday night and affected southwest of the city of Marrakesh killed more than 2,100 people and injured more than 2,400. Rescuers have been using their bare hands to dig for survivors because heavy lifting equipment cannot get through roads blocked by boulders to reach remote villages near the epicenter of the quake in the Atlas Mountains. Meanwhile, Morocco says it has received aid offers from Qatar, Spain, the United Arab Emirates and the United Kingdom.